Hey there, viewers. Cashews are small kidney-shaped seeds obtained from a cashew tree. Most of us have had this tiny nut at some point in our lives. But did you know that nuts are a powerhouse of nutrients? Cashews are an easy addition to several dishes and have multiple health benefits. Whether it's weight loss, improved blood sugar, or healthier heart, cashews can be your go-to munchie. In today's video, we'll discuss the overall benefits of cashews. Are they good for your skin? What about your muscles and nerves? We'll talk about all of this and more. Number 1. They protect the eye. Cashews are a great dietary substance for your eyesight. Enjoy a handful daily as an afternoon snack or add them to your morning smoothies. In today's atmosphere, we face excessive pollution on a regular basis, and our eyes often suffer from multiple infections. Cashews contain a powerful antioxidant called zeaxanthin. Several studies show zeaxanthin reduces the risk of chronic eye diseases. People who eat foods rich in this antioxidant have a much lower risk of developing new cataracts. Zeaxanthin also forms a protective layer over our retina and prevents it from harmful UV rays. A small quantity of zeaxanthin can also help prevent age-related macular degeneration and maintain eye health. How do you like your cashews? Roasted or raw? Sound off in the comment section and start a conversation with our bestie community. Number 2. They make hair healthier and shinier. Eating cashews or putting the oil on your scalp can give you healthier hair. The copper in cashews helps produce skin and hair pigment called melanin. It's the copper that helps hair get its color. Cashews are also packed with potassium and other essential nutrients that prevent your scalp from shedding too much. Potassium also helps in the cell renewal process. This is why it's extremely beneficial to regrow hair. The acids in cashews will give a silky smooth texture to your hair. Number 3. They assist in weight loss. Compared to people who don't eat nuts, people who have them on a regular basis tend to lose weight faster. Studies show that people who eat nuts daily are 31% less likely to gain weight compared to those who consumed no nuts. Cashews are packed with carbs, but at the same time, they're also a rich source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. All these minerals help improve metabolic syndrome. The rich fiber content of these nuts helps to maintain a healthy blood glucose level. This is done by regulating the rate that carbs are absorbed at. Cashews satisfy your appetite for a longer period and are extremely beneficial for anyone on a weight loss diet. Don't forget to pace yourself when it comes to eating cashews. They do have a lot of calories. If you're looking to lose a few pounds or maintain weight loss, adding cashews to your diet is a great idea. Cashews also include omega-3 fats, which help to boost your metabolism. Make sure you add raw and unsalted cashews to your diet. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all of our great bestie content. Number 4. They make your heart healthier. In earlier times, nuts were thought to be high in fat. This is bad for your heart, but studies show that eating limited servings of unsalted nuts, like cashews, can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Cashews help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol levels. It also reduces heart disease risk factors such as inflammation and blood pressure. Including unsalted or raw cashews in your diet can lessen the risk of developing heart problems. The nutrients present in cashews include anti-carcinogenic, heart protective, and anti-inflammatory properties. Cashews are also a good source of vitamin E. Vitamin E might help stop the development of plaque in your arteries. This plaque often leads to coronary artery disease, heart attack, or chest pain. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn 16 evidence-based tips that'll help you lose weight. Now back to discussing the benefits of eating cashews. Number 5. They help people with type 2 diabetes. If you have type 2 diabetes, adding cashews to your diet can have its advantages. Studies show that extract from cashew nuts can fight diabetes. Cashews are lower in fat compared to other nuts. About 75% of fat found in cashews is heart-healthy monosaturated fat or oleic acid. These kidney-shaped nuts are also a good source of fiber that prevents unnatural spikes in blood sugar levels. This offers protection against type 2. Another study found that people with type 2 diabetes who got 10% of their daily calories from cashews had lower insulin levels compared to people who don't eat cashews at all. Cashews will also fight rising blood sugar levels. Instead of food that's high in carbs and sugar, Eating cashews will help you reduce the risk of hyperglycemia. Number 6. They help manage stress and anxiety. These nuts have a lot of vitamin B6, magnesium, omega-3 fats, protein, iron, and essential amino acids. All these nutrients help to fight mild depression and anxiety naturally. Cashews are one of the best sources of tryptophan. This amino acid is essential for improving the amount of serotonin in the brain, and it helps to boost the antidepressant hormone. Cashews are one of the few nuts actually associated with reducing not just anxiety, but also stress and depression. Adding limited healthy fats to your everyday diet is important for your mood and heart health. Cashews are one of the best sources of these smart fats and can help to keep your brain healthy and manage depression. Number 7. They make your muscles and nerves healthier. Cashews are also excellent for the nervous system of your body. These nuts are known to help keep muscles and nerves relaxed and free from constriction and tension. Cashews can also help the body become more flexible. They're a good source of magnesium, which is important for the healthy development of tissues, bones, muscles, and body organs. These nuts also maintain elasticity of the joints, tendons, and muscles. The magnesium found in cashews can help maintain nerve function, boost immunity, manage blood pressure, and keep the bones strong. Number 8. May prevent blood disease. Cashews are a rich source of copper, which may help in the metabolism of iron, assisting in the formation of red blood cells and keeping the bones healthy. Consumption of cashews on an everyday basis can help avoid blood disease. The copper of cashews eliminates a lot of free radicals from your body. Including the right amount of cashews in your diet can help you to avoid iron deficiencies like anemia. It's quite easy to add cashews to your diet. They can be consumed raw or roasted and make for a really good portable snack. Cashews can be incorporated into a lot of meals, starting from stir-fries to scrambled tofu, soups, stews, and salads. You may also enjoy adding cashew butter to your diet. Just spread it on your toast or stir it into your yogurt or oatmeal. Cashews are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They also contain multiple minerals, vitamins, and healthy plant compounds. Cashews are quite an important ingredient in curries, biscuits, ice creams, and cookies. If you're vegan, cashews can help make your sauces creamier. It's important for you to know that every ounce of cashews contains around 160 calories. Therefore, it's better to limit yourself to only a handful a day. By a handful, we mean adding 15 medium-sized cashews to your daily diet. Of course, there are some downsides to eating a ton of cashews. You need to be really careful. Here's what you need to know. Check out what eating pistachios every day will do to your body. Or how about eating peanuts every day and seeing how your body changes? Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how cashews can help you. Do you have a delicious way of adding cashews to your diet? Let us know in the comments below.